Start your day off right with these healthy breakfast ideas to fuel your gym workouts. 1. Protein-packed oatmeal. Prepare a bowl of oatmeal using rolled oats or steel-cut oats. Cook them in water or milk, dairy or plant-based, and add a scoop of protein powder for an extra protein boost. Top with sliced fruits, nuts, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. 2. Greek yogurt bowl. Enjoy a bowl of Greek yogurt topped with fresh berries, sliced bananas, and a sprinkle of granola or chia seeds. Greek yogurt is high in protein, which can aid in muscle recovery post-workout. 3. Veggie and egg scramble. Whip up a quick and nutritious scramble using egg whites or whole eggs. Add in a variety of diced vegetables like spinach, bell peppers, onions, and mushrooms. Serve with a side of whole grain toast or avocado slices. 4. Protein smoothie. Blend together a combination of fruits, such as berries, bananas, or mango, a scoop of protein powder, a handful of spinach or kale, and your choice of liquid, water, almond milk, or coconut water. This refreshing smoothie provides a good balance of carbs and protein. 5. Whole grain toast with nut butter and banana. Toast a slice of whole grain bread and spread it with nut butter, such as almond butter or peanut butter. Top with banana slices and a sprinkle of chia seeds or hemp seeds for added texture and nutrients. 6. Breakfast. Burrito. Fill a whole grain tortilla with scrambled eggs, black beans, diced vegetables, and a sprinkle of shredded cheese. Add a dollop of salsa or Greek yogurt for extra flavor. 7. Quinoa fruit salad. Cook quinoa and let it cool. Mix it with a variety of fresh fruits like berries, diced mango, and chopped kiwi. Squeeze some lemon or lime juice over it for a refreshing and nutritious breakfast option. 8. Cottage cheese and fruit. Enjoy a serving of cottage cheese topped with your favorite fruits such as sliced peaches, pineapple chunks, or mixed berries. Cottage cheese is rich in protein and provides a creamy texture. 9. Overnight chia pudding. Combine chia seeds with your choice of milk, dairy or plant-based, a sweetener like honey or maple syrup, and a dash of vanilla extract. Let it sit in the fridge overnight and in the morning, top it with fresh fruits, nuts, or coconut flakes. 10. Avocado toast with egg. Toast a slice of whole grain bread and spread mashed avocado on top. Cook an egg, fried, poached, or scrambled, and place it on the avocado toast. Sprinkle with salt, pepper, and optional chili flakes for a flavorful and satisfying breakfast. Remember to hydrate well before hitting the gym and allow enough time for digestion before exercising. Adjust portion sizes according to your individual needs and goals. Enjoy your nutritious breakfast and crush your gym session. Thank you for watching the video. Have a nice day. Bye-bye. Eat.